So what was inside that letter? What did the Congress government want to convey to the Swiss government? Here are the details. As we know, the memorandum to René Felber was unsigned and handed over in a sealed envelope. The memorandum was allegedly a request for mutual assistance. It denied all allegations of kickbacks and requested the Swiss government to refrain from taking further steps. The Congress government wanted the Swiss government to wait until the investigation in India are completed. Now here is what Madhav Solanki said in his defense in Parliament in 1992. He told the lower house that the meeting was just a courtesy call. Remember, he had requested his Swiss counterpart to make sure there are no witnesses to their discussions. Solanki told Parliament that what he handed to Felber was just a note. He claimed that the note was about the status of court cases pending in India.